Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make a wheat cake. She is Smriti and she is Malavika. So we three are going to bake wheat cake. So now let's go into the video and see how to bake wheat cake. So this is a measuring cup. 1 cup means 200 ml. So I am taking 2 cups of it. So 2 heaps of whole wheat atta, I am transferring it in a vessel. So with the same cup of 200 ml, I am taking brown sugar 1.5 cup. So transfer this also to another vessel. Instead of white sugar, we are using brown sugar to make cake. Brown sugar is healthy, so I am using. If you don't like this taste, you can use white sugar as same measurement. So in 200 ml cup, 2 cups of atta and 1.5 cup of brown sugar is ready. Sieve the atta and take few cashew nut and raisins. In 100 ml cup, take 1 cup. Just heat the water and again transfer this to the same 100 ml measurement cup. Just add very less amount of salt. And just 2-3 drops of oil. Keep it aside. Let us use this later on. Now transfer the atta in a mixing bowl. Add 5 tablespoons of choco powder. I am using Britannia company choco powder. If you are a chocolate lover, you can add 7 spoons also. I am using 5 spoons. To make chocolate cake, this is the main ingredient. Mix this nicely. Add 1/4 of salt in this spoon I have taken. Mix this also nicely. Then add the brown sugar which we have taken. Mix it well using spoon. So now if you have decaution or coffee powder, whatever available in house, in a bowl, you just keep it. I am having decaution in a separate bowl, and in 200 ml cup I am taking 100 ml of cooking oil. Add the oil to decaution. It is coffee decaution. Mix it thoroughly. And then in the same 200 ml cup I am adding 100 ml of milk. That also I am adding in the bowl. Mix it nicely using a ladle. I am having decaution, so I am using. If you don't have decaution, you can have coffee powder. It enhances the cake taste. Now pour this in the flour. This is an electric cake blender. It has 3 different speeds. Whisk it nicely, at least for 10 minutes, using different speeds. See, now slowly it is coming to a stage of mud consistency. By the side, keep 200 ml of hot water ready, and 100 ml of milk also ready. Plain milk is enough to make cake. No need to boil the milk. So now add this 100 ml of milk. Again whisk it for 5 minutes. See, it is nicely mixing. After it comes to this stage, add this 200 ml of hot water. See, it should come to the pouring stage. If you take little from ladle, it has to pour that consistency. See, now it has mixed very well. There should not be any crystal types of small box. Everywhere it should be blended very nicely. Overall you have to whisk it for at least 20 to 25 minutes. This is at least 20 to 25 minutes process. Then only the cake puff up and come nicely. This whisking is a very important process in baking. So now it is ready. There should not be any lumps, and it should be in a pouring consistency. So this is Wakefield Company's baking powder. Add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Again whisk it nicely for 5 minutes. So now the whisking process is over. Now just add 50 ml of hot water.
So that's all.
Use the ladle and mix it nicely. Now add kismis and raisin. Mix it well. See, the consistency should be like this. Now it's ready to bake. Within few minutes we are going to get a healthy cake. See, this healthy wheat cake, it's like a wheat idli only. So you people try the recipe, subscribe, like and comment the video. Take a 4-liter pressure cooker, add 20 ml of ghee. Either use your hand, or if you have brush, grease it all over the cooker. so that it won't stick. Apply in sides also, so that when it puffs and come up, it won't stick and cake won't break. Once it is done, sprinkle atta all over the cooker, even in sides also. Just toss the cooker, try to sprinkle this atta all over. Now transfer the atta mixture to the cooker, close the cooker, keep it in a small flame in sim, complete sim. Don't ever put the flame in even medium. The cake has to bake 100% in complete sim. Just 45 minutes it has to bake. Poke with fork and see whether the cake is baked or not. So now use one plate and put the cooker upside down. Automatically it will fall down, and turn the cake upside down. Now a whole wheat cake is ready. Really it tastes like wheat idli only. Now use the knife and cut the cake into 2 pieces. So these are the basic ingredients to bake cake. See how beautifully it has come. Nuts, kismis and all is shown like a bulb, white. See, in the beginning of video, in this measurement cup, we prepared one syrup, no? Now just sprinkle this syrup everywhere so that it gives softness. If you don't want, you can avoid this step. When you poke with a fork to check whether the cake is baked or not, it should not stick on the fork. If it stick, it is not baked properly. When you eat this cake, authentic smell of wheat flavor comes. To level up the cake, cut the top portions. It has cracked here and there. Whenever you bake, the top portion will come like this only. Once you level up the cake, then only you can do icing part and decoration and all. Because of that only we have to take out all the top portions. How to do icing, we will show you in the next video. This is the basic beginner lesson how to bake in a cooker. See, beautifully now the cake has leveled up. You can use these extra pieces to decorate the cake. Please try the video, subscribe, like and comment it.
Thank you, Smriti and Malavika. We all had a great time. I learned baking from you all.
It's okay, our pleasure.
Okay.